Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's going on? If it's your first time here, my name's Gary, aka ThePlasticboyy, and welcome to a brand new video. I normally, when I'm on like routine or schedule, upload Wednesdays, do a sip and slay every other Friday, and do vlogs on Sundays. But let's just get into the video. Today, we are sampling the Fenty lipsticks. Y'all have been down my necks, wanting to review, wanting to swatch, wanting to see how they look on the lips. I've had these for a moment now, so let's just get into it. So if you want to see what these Fenty lipsticks are saying, keep on watching. Okay, so hey Pooh, what's going on? Long time no see. I was actually meant to upload a vlog last Sunday. I was really just jet lagged, and you know, I went out and I was fighting and bopping, and it was just a crazy weekend. But the vlog will be up this Sunday. There wasn't a sip and slate obviously today because the news hasn't just been newsing. I just felt like everything that happened last sip and slay, but there will be regular sip and slays, and I'll be sure to announce them before I do because I feel like a lot of people are missing them. But anyway, so Fenty launched new lipsticks. This is what the pamphlet looks like. Rihanna looks gorgeous. She actually announced this before she announced her pregnancy, I believe. So these are called, what are these called? These are called the Fenty Icon Semi-Wrap Refillable Lipsticks. And this is what all they look like here. This is the pamphlet. How many shades? There's actually 10 shades. And obviously she wants to be environmentally conscious, blah blah. So you know, you buy the case and then you buy the refills of each lipstick. I'll show you how it looks like. So I've got one here. This is the one I've been using. If you watch the Super Bowl, Mary J. Blige actually wore a full face of Fenty, and I've been using the colour Mary J. Blige wore. So this is the case. You kind of flip it like this. You take the lipstick out, and you can actually, oh, how do you do this? You can actually take the lipstick out like this, and this is what you buy. So this is, how much is this? This is £28, which, oh child, this is £28 for this, the lipstick, and then for the case, this is £10. And let me just, I'm gonna say what I think is dropped the bar. I just think Fenty should have just done lipsticks. They should have just done each lipstick in the case and just charged £28 for it. Because I feel like the consumer nowadays doesn't want to have faff worrying about swapping each lipstick, because the consumer just wants something quick and easy. You're gonna think about someone that's a mom, you're gonna think about someone that, you know. But anyway, let's just get into the swatching chart because I don't want this video to be 100 million years. So for every lipstick, if they need a liner, which I think some of them do, I'm gonna line using Makeup by Mario, either Jeff, or this is quite red though. This is Chris. I can't find my other Mario one. But this is all nice liner though. No, I need a brown. Okay, so it's top that we're doing Victoria Beckham liner because that liner was just too red. It was looking very, very mad. Let me just go down a bit. Okay, so the first lipstick, this one is called Mother Lover, and this is number 4. You can tell I've used it already. Let's see this one. Okay, so they smell really nice. They smell like kind of like vanilla-ish. And let's just pat this. So you now can get Fenty Beauty from the 3rd of March or the 8th at Ulta. It's available at Sephora. It's available here in Boots and here at Harvey Nichols in the UK. Okay. This is Mother Lover. What I can say, these are super comfortable. And let me just read you some information. These are high pigment, low maintenance, creamy semi-matte finish, lightweight feel, vitamin C and E to nourish and condition the lips, hyaluronic acid that locks in moisture, and designed to be refillable in 10 shades. I really like this shade. I haven't actually looked at all the other shades, so this is going to be kind of like a first impression, but it's the only shade I've actually looked at. But I actually really like this shade. It's really nice. It's very natural, and I think the lip liner kind of overpowers the shade, which I'm not mad at, and it's a beautiful shade. It feels, even though the semi-matte, I can get the semi-matte feel, and it's still very creamy and comfortable. Just a reference, this is what the lipstick comes in, and I think, hold on, let me check the price. Are these actually the same price? If these are 18 and the case is 10, so £28, which, when you actually get the lipstick and you look at it, you're like, whoa, this is actually really tiny. But I guess when you take a lipstick out of Bullet, this is how much you get. And this one's called Grill Master number 2. Let me switch these out. I don't like this because I know I'll lose it. Okay, let's put that in there. Okay, who's messaging me? Guess it's my trainer. Me and my trainer having an argument because, child, I'll tell you about this, but this is Grow Master. This looks a bit red. They smell amazing. Definitely not a me shade, but it is a beautiful, beautiful red. It's so nice. This is pretty. It's really nice. It looks like a chili red, as you can see. It's super, super pretty. I think on me, you guys know I'm not really about the reds, but I think this would look super nice in most skin tones, really. It reminds me of matte chili, but not matte. But yeah, super nice, super pretty, you know. It's not blowing me away though. Okay, so the next shade is called Major Magnate. Major Magnate? Child, okay. Let me snap this in here. Oh, this shade looks so nice. Did I put liner on? Sure I did. Sure I put liner on. My lips are gonna be so flipping sore after this. Okay, let's try this shade. Oh, this shade is nice. Ooh. This is a really nice shade. It's giving me, like, it's like a brown taupe. It looks like taupe from MAC. Let me swatch it for you. That's what it looks like swatched. You can't even see it. It's actually very similar to my skin tone. It's like a pinky, almost taupe. I love this shade. I wish it was more matte though. Like, I don't get why she would do semi-matte. I wish she just did matte because she's known for a matte lip, but I kind of get it, you know. You want to please everyone. You don't want it to be matte, you don't want it to be greasy. This has to be my favorite shade, I think. And yeah, one thing I will say, getting these off, oh my god, like, I've actually taken the thing off the metal casing because it's kind of like, this is why I wish you'd just done it in a bullet. I love Fenty, I love the, so far the lipsticks feel really nice, but I just feel like doing this is even a lot for me in filming, so I can't imagine if someone bought loads of lipstick and they want to change something, plus it's a tiny bit matte, like a tiny bit matte, you know? Okay, so the next one's called Board Member. Maybe we should have done the darker colors first. I hope this doesn't stay on my lips, but it's not a liquid lipstick. This is like a vamp. This is very weird. This reminds me of Diva, not Diva, Night Moth, Diva, Cyber from MAC. Let's see. Oh wow, this feels much more different. This feels a bit more matte. It definitely feels more matte. I definitely haven't applied this the best way. What the hell? I do love the bullet though. Apparently the bullet is inspiration by Rihanna's Cupid bow, which I do love. This color is cute. Obviously it would look amazing on various skin tones. It's not a very me color though. I would never wear a color like this. It's nice, but despite the bat, let me zoom in for you guys. Yeah, it's not a me color. Like, I would never wear this color. It's too much for me. Like, it's too much, but okay. So the next color is called Scarlet Sister, which looks like this. It kind of looks quite pink. I'm kind of there's not a lot. I wish it was more nudes, but I get it, I feel like when people bring out lipsticks, they have to do this kind of like spectrum of pinks and reds and taupes, I get it. So let's do this shade. This pink could end up looking so crazy. Not, I actually really like this color. It kind of blends out into more of like a muted pink. I would definitely wear this color because I'm trying to like not wear as much browns, but this color looks really nice. It kind of reminds me of my natural lip color, like once blended in. Obviously you can build up the pigment, but Again, as I'm putting these on, these don't feel super creamy, even though they are semi-matte. I've worn them for maybe about a few days and they do come off a tiny bit when you eat. It's a semi-matte, but they don't rub off easily, but they do come off. But obviously if you want to set them a bit more, you can wear translucent powder, but I really like this color as well. I'm actually really shocked. It's really, really nice. The next color, She is a CEO. This is a brown. Let me swatch this. This looks really nice. Wait. Do I love this? Okay, this color had potential. It's good, but I wish it was more cooler. Like not more cool, more a bit 2 shades lighter. It has potential with the shade, but it's kind of more like a dark brown lipstick. Like it's very much 90s. I think this would look really good on someone else, but it doesn't look good on, it looks good on me, but I'm not, when I add a liner, it makes it a bit more dark, like almost like, you know, yeah, I don't like it. No, I like it, but it doesn't rock my world. Did you guys enjoy the Super Bowl, by the way? I think I done my sip and slate after or before, because it was on the Sunday. Did you enjoy Mary J. Blige? Did you enjoy Snoop Dogg? Kendrick Lamar was amazing. 50 Cent looked really good, but obviously he was a bit, you know. But I do like 50 Cent. I really, really like him. But Mary did a good job, but I did not like her song choices, but I really liked it. So adding a bit more brown liner. Okay, this one is called Flaunty Auntie. It looks very similar to the last one. Let me swatch them side by side. Oh no, the Flaunty Auntie has more of a purple undertone. See, the last one I tried is like a cool brown. This one is very much like, I don't even need a light. Oh, these, I feel like the darker ones feel more matte. Ooh. Okay. And oh, actually. Okay, I wouldn't wear this color, but I like it. The darker ones definitely feel more matte to me. I'm not going crazy. See, there's no shine. I like it. I like this one with a liner. You don't even need a liner with this, but I just feel like, yeah, not me, not for me, but would look beautiful on someone else. I really like the color. I'm not mad at it, but I think it's just not for me, but it's a beautiful, beautiful shade. Okay, so we're gonna try, whoops, Ballin, Babe. I've swatched it here. It's kind of like a pinky kind of color, but I kind of think this might bang on me, might bang. Okay, palette. Wait. They're so smooth. Like, they glide on like butter. Okay. This color. I like it. Not crazy about it. I feel like because I've tried so many lipsticks on, it might be altering the color, but yeah, it's a color. It's like almost like a red, but like it's like a cranberry. It's like a pinky cranberry. I don't know. It's an in-between shade, which I think would work on many skin tones, but I don't like it on me. But I like it, but I don't. That's the undertone. It looks like my lips were a bit sore for me. Let me know what you think in the comments down below as we're trying these on, please, because your feedback is very much appreciated. Okay, so the next one is called Pose Queen, and this one, hold on, look, okay, that's how much lipstick you get, by the way. £18. I can't even compare it to anything because most of my lipsticks are used, but I guess, I don't know, I guess, you know what I was thinking while I was doing this? They'll be easy to travel with, because imagine you wanted a few lips, they would actually be easier to travel with because you have one bullet. That's the con, I mean, that's the one pro. Okay, let's try Pose Queen. I actually love the way this is because you can actually like get into her line if you wanted to, so, okay. you see the lighter colors are a bit more creamier? Let me... Look how creamy that is. Ooh. Ooh. I really like Pose Queen. I really like it. Like, Pose Queen is one of my faves. And I know I didn't put glosses on for every single one. I definitely want to try and put a gloss on for this one, just so we can see what it's like on with a gloss. Oh yes. Pose Queen. Ooh. This is going right in my makeup book drawer. Love that. Oh my god, Pose Queen. Let me leave you to the side, child, because you are going right in my... So the last one is a red. I probably need to line my lips for this. Okay, you guys know I'm not a red person, but I'm gonna try the red anyway. It's called the MVP, which I do think is the one she's wearing in this. Is she? Yeah, she's wearing it. It's called Icon MVP, which I think is one of her favorite reds. Let's try it. Ooh. Okay, this is a nice red. This is nice. Okay, so this is the red. This is the last shade. This is a really, really nice red, and I feel like it would look amazing on a lot, well, every single skin tone. It's that, it kind of reminds, it's got that Ruby Roo-esque kind of touch to it. None of the lips have like gone on my teeth. I really do love the formula of these. The one thing I would say, I wish Rihanna did more nudes. I think this is kind of like it's not a generic kind of lipstick kind of shade, but I think when brands release lipsticks, they kind of release these shades to kind of suit everyone. I wish there was more like beigey nudes, honeycombs, and I also wish some of the colors were the same that are in the Fenty Glow, like honey waffle lipstick, or like, I don't know. I do love the shades. I think I only liked 2 shades. I think, no, 2 or 3 shades. I loved, what's this called? What's this called? Pose Queen. And I also love the one that Mary J. Blige wore. I love Mother Lover. That's a really nice one. And I loved another one, which was the brownish one, which was She's a CEO. So I only like 3 out of 10. I think this will suit a lot of people. Again, these are semi-matte, so don't expect them to not budge when you wear a mask. That's the only thing. Hopefully she'll come out with different kind of formulas, like she'll do like semi-matte, matte, luster, and I hope she... Where are the liners? Where are the liners, child? I just feel like it's a bit weird to bring out lipsticks about liners, because you would want to upsell. Like, if you bought out lipsticks, you'd want people to buy the liners and the case, have a little trio going on. But you know, Fenty, you know, they know what they're doing. They're gonna release lipsticks, liners. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite color is. Sip and Slow, I think we'll be back next week, just depending on kind of news is, but I'll let you know depending on the community page, and if so, I might do a midweek Sip and Slay. Who knows? One might be on Wednesday, might be on Thursday. Who knows? I'll let you guys know. If you'll be down for that, definitely comment down below. I'll see you in my next video, guys, on the vlog on Sunday. Have a really good weekend.